Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a really short video as asked by a number of people on one of the Facebook groups of AI for teachers. Certainly get on there. Lots of good hints on there. Basically, how do you make a close activity? I thought it was a really simple thing to do in ChatGPT. So I thought I'd make a really short video on how to do that. So let's get into it. As always, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. I have the paid version using version O. To do this, I'm going to use one of my existing resources, which is Last Impact of the Black Death of European Society. Get on my TPT store and do it. But the idea is I'll just grab the text out of here. And we'll do it fairly quickly. Just copy that. We'll jump into ChatGPT. I'll put the text in there that we want to make it from. Okay, we'll just go back up to the top. Okay, act. Obviously, we always give it a roll when we first start doing any sort of discussion, so it can draw on the right data sets for information. So I've got a habit of reading out what I'm typing, which is really a bit weird, so I'm trying not to do that now. So we wanted to create a close activity. We use the correct spelling, which the Americans use. It seems to like it a bit better. Or the following information. So you can do this with any textbook. Obviously, if you have permission to do that. Any of your own worksheets, you pretty much just copy the whole thing there. You could upload a file as well and do it if you wanted to. That would work just as well. You just really need to specify what text it's going to do, or if you say put in just a Word document. Okay, I want to remove, let's say 15. Topic for a history student. Loading this. So we'll start very quickly. Hit OK. I'll process it. And very quickly it'll go through. It'll decide, obviously, what words to take out. If a more detailed prompt, you can do it. But if you tell it to pull out important words, that's fine. Yeah, I have no problem with that. So once we do that, we can then copy and paste it, take it out to, say, Microsoft Word. And then copy and paste it in, and then just do a bit of cleanup. Take out the extra text and things we don't want. All right. There we go. To fix up tests. Okay. So we've got our close activities. Obviously, what we're missing from that is our word bank. Now, for the text, get it to create our word bank. There we go. Yeah, I'm generally happy with those words. I adjust them and we want to randomize word order. Okay. And what you can actually do is get the computer. So I've obviously copied and pasted the activities to do that. So if I get this text here, I get it to do the border in there. We do. And we can create a text block. No, Harry, I lost my dog. He's come to say hello, play. So we drop the words in there. And then spits that up. Stretch it out a bit. And I'll put it on the side. But here, the paragraph. No, it's turned into a word lesson. I tend not to use really Word for doing this sort of work. I tend to use Canva for everything now, but we've exported it out. Let's see what we'll do. Paragraph. 2 centimeter. Oops, wrong side. Paragraph, the right side. 2 centimeter gap. There we go. We can chuck a word. Chuck our word bank up there. So that's fairly quickly. Ideally, what I'd like to do, and this is what I do here, I'll do it in Canva. I'll chuck the files in there, change the text with the word bank on the side, and then I can add some pictures and text and things fairly easily. So that's one I've done previously for the Black Death. But what we are missing as well is obviously a solutions key. Create completed solution with the words in the spaces, underline and bold the words on the word bank. So we get our solution very quickly. Go through. Yep, that's our We have wages, fuel, and then so on. So we see our words in there. It's fairly easy to read. We can go export to Word. Once it finishes, there we go. We can export a copy to Word. Ways to do that. You can see how quickly and easily that you can actually do that. Obviously, if you want to customize it, choose particular words, you can do that as well. But then also essentially what you do back here is at the beginning is the list, remove these words. So you can work out what you want to advance and it'll do all the legwork for you, saving you quite a bit of time. Here we go. We've exported out to Word. So that's how quickly you can actually put together a Cloze activity. In reality, it'll probably take you maybe 5 minutes to do it and get it into a worksheet. Whether it's in a state to present to your students, or whether on Canva, if you've got a template, literally just copy and paste it in there and you're ready to go very quickly. Yeah, so there we go. Hopefully you found that useful. You can subscribe to the channels. I always say the other ones I'm doing is my TPT store, where a lot of these resources actually end up. I hope you found that useful. Like I said, making Cloze activities really quick and easy. Have a go. Let me know whether you're successful or not.